In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to add Google Analytics to LeadPages. It's a quick and simple process that will help you track the performance of your landing pages and optimize your marketing efforts. So, if you're ready to get started and unlock valuable insights about your audience, stick around because I'm also going to show you an alternative that might suit your needs even better at the end. Let's dive right in. First off, you need to sign into your LeadPages account. Once you're in, head over to the landing page where you want to add Google Analytics. If you don't have a page yet, you can quickly create one. Go ahead and click Edit on that page. Next thing, on the left-hand side, click on the Settings tab. From there, you'll see the option to add tracking code. This is where you'll add your Google Analytics tracking ID. To get your Google Analytics tracking ID, you need to head to your Google Analytics account. If you don't have one set up, it's time to create one. Once logged in, go to Admin, select your account and property, and under the Property column, click on Tracking Info and then Tracking Code. Here you'll find your tracking ID, which should look something like UXXXXXXXXXX. Once you have that ID, go back to LeadPages and paste it into the Google Analytics ID field under the tracking code section. Be sure to click Save to make sure everything is updated. And that's it. You've successfully added Google Analytics to your LeadPages page. Now, before you jump off, there's something important you need to know. While LeadPages does the job when it comes to integrating Google Analytics, it's not the most versatile tool for advanced analytics. If you're looking for a more seamless experience, you might want to consider an alternative. Next thing, let's talk about the drawbacks of LeadPages. The user interface can be a little clunky when you're managing your tracking codes, and if you want deeper insights, you're kind of limited unless you upgrade. For businesses with complex tracking needs or more detailed analytics, LeadPages might not be enough. The fourth thing to note is, while LeadPages excels in landing page creation, it doesn't offer the same level of integration with other marketing tools as some competitors. So, if you're looking for a more all-in-one solution that handles analytics and marketing automation with ease, it's worth checking out the alternative I'll mention shortly. To wrap up, we've shown you how to add Google Analytics to LeadPages, but now you know that there are better alternatives out there for achieving deeper insights and improving your marketing strategies. And to make things better for you, I've got an exclusive deal. Through the link in the description, you'll get an extended free trial to this alternative software, which also has a powerful Google Analytics integration, but with added features for your marketing campaigns. You'll get exclusive benefits that only our viewers can access. So don't miss out on that. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check the link below for more details.